Sometimes it seems like nature is calm and predictable. You go about your life, minding your own business, and suddenly it shows that it can surprise you far more than any disaster movie. Once the elements gain strength, everything around starts changing right before your eyes. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video.
Oh, Achtung, Lawine! Lawine! Wow! Wow! 发生泥石流了，我操！不，单体滑坡，被我抓拍到了，我操！我操，你是可以啊！我操！靠！我操！一阵巨浪袭来。 像爆炸了一样，像爆破了一样。我操！
Take hurricanes, for example. One powerful gust, and something that looked solid and reliable just a minute ago begins to sway, break, and fly apart. It feels as if the air itself turns into a living force that you simply cannot argue with.
Flying!
Drop your phone, it's not worth it at this point! It's not worth it! Drop your phone! Stop!
Dio, che pelada te! Ah, Madonna! Bellissimo! Questo sta bellissimo!
أنا مصور فيديو.
Or hail. Those icy spheres falling from the sky as if someone up there turned on a giant ice machine. It pounds on roofs, cars, the ground, and every hit feels like a tiny explosion. In that moment, you instantly understand. Nature has decided to hit the reset button around you. And landslides? That's a whole other story. The ground, which usually seems solid and unmoving, suddenly begins to slowly slide downward. No rush, but with such power that stopping it is simply impossible. And it becomes a bit terrifying to realize that all of this happens on its own, without anyone controlling it.
Поселок Ключи. Бабахнула ключевская сопка, вулкан. Как-то сбоку. Шлейф.
We wanted her to have front row seats. And I got them.
This just came over the start of
This is May 27th, around 7 o'clock from Cupono Street looking at Nohea. This is a giant canyon I found in my backyard.
Stacy's house.
So amazing.
Is back
And when strong wind, heavy rain, and lightning come together in one place, that's when you truly realize that humans aren't in charge here. Nature can put on a show so powerful that all you can do is watch and hope it passes by. We can plan, build, reinforce. But the elements will always remind us who the real master is. Have you ever found yourself in moments when nature seemed to be going crazy? Share your story in the comments. It would be interesting to read.